That's me registering. It's just like putting attendance. The second item. Okay, I pick a notepad.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here, respected dignitaries, friends and students. My name is Chitra Sizagurumayum. Currently, I'm working as an assistant professor in Kumarugu.
मयांबू अमुका हन्ना खुरुमजरी. हेलो एवरीवन. आज का जो वीडियो है ये एक इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के बारे में है. So we are heading towards a college to attend an international conference. Let's see how it went and all. Okay, hope you guys enjoy this video. Now we have reached our destination, PSG College, and the infrastructure was so beautiful. Just enjoy. That's me registering. It's just like putting attendance. Like, yes, I have arrived at your location. I would be presenting a PowerPoint presentation and all. The students volunteer of their college was really very sweet. They talk very politely, and then that's me registering. Then I got a conference kit which was orange in color, and I really liked the color. There was also a stall set up, so I was filming it for some time. Time to check what's inside the conference kit. Okay, let us take out one by one. First thing, it comes out to be a pamphlet of the college, and it was looking pretty nice. Okay, now let's move ahead with the second item. In the second item, okay, I pick a notepad with the institute logo. Next, I found a lanyard. Okay, moving ahead. Waiting. Okay, there comes out a pen. We are now exploring the canteen of this college. Guys, the sari that I'm wearing over here is my first sari in KCT college. And my father told me that he loved the color combination and all. So the sari was old, but just to keep some memory of it, I was wearing it for the conference. And it's a lovely memory. These are the items that we ordered, and the funniest part in the canteen was we saw some hilarious writings on the wall. So enjoy the view. It was now time for me to head back to the conference room to give my presentation. Wish me luck!
A very good afternoon to one one and all present here, respected dignitaries, friends and students. My name is Chitra Sizagurumayum. Currently I'm working as an assistant professor in Kumarugaru College of Technology. Since I enrolled for this conference just last week, I have kept the presentation very short, as it was mentioned that to be limited to 10 slides. I have limited it to 10 also. So now let's start with the presentation. It is a part of a final year project. Since it's again, so many types of fibers have been used, and then why natural fiber? I'm going after two natural fibers, namely coconut and banana, because they are very easily available in Tamil Nadu. Again, the more I go for natural products, the more biodegradable it becomes, so it is very friendly to the environment also. That is why I'm choosing these two fibers. So before going with the percentages and all, I let my students do some research work, like what do usually people put in their percentages and all. So it was decided that we will go after these four types of percentages. As you can see, 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2, and then we will compare them with the control specimen. Control specimen means the one which is without any fiber. So we casted some cubes and cylinders, and the water cement ratio was kept at 0.4, and then we strictly used OPC 43 grade for the entire experiments, and the length of the fiber was kept at 300 mm, that is 3 centimeter. So when I say BF1, it means I'm using a percentage of 0.5 percentage of banana fiber as a replacement of the weight of the cement. Like that, CF1 means coconut fiber, and the replacement is 0.5%. The slump test, when we did the slump test, I was also like taken aback. Just by adding fiber can also help in holding back the moisture which would have otherwise escaped, and again which really helps in hydration. The more hydrated your concrete is, the better compressive strength you get. And when it comes to tensile strength, presenting any works on durability like water absorption, sorptivity and all. So in the conclusion, I would like to state that fiber reinforcement really increases the mechanical properties of the concrete, and from this experiment it was concluded that the optimum percentage for reinforcement is 1.5 according to our experimental.
Now that the presentation is over, we headed back, and it was raining, and it was a beautiful day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.